So I was adjusting some stuff back and forth towards the end of this to try and see if I could clean it up a little bit, but I over extruded it on purpose. If it doesn't look terribly bad right here, you can see where I made some changes. I don't know if this is usable at all. It's plugged up all the holes. It's kind of, I don't know, questionable. I guess it would probably work, but I don't know. I don't know if it's worth printing another one on here. I'm just trying to see if I can get it correct so that I have two that match. But these holes will just get drilled out. So I guess, you know, this could be cleaned up. Yeah, I don't know. It looks under extruded right here. So it's like the infill is like wrong. I'm getting a feeling the infill is wrong, but it looks okay there. There's some funny like under extrusion here. So overall, this is a failed print. I mean, you wouldn't want to use this. It looks a little bit better printed on the glass, actually, believe it or not. So maybe I'll see if I can print another one and just get better settings. Or maybe I'll try one of the other enders that has glass and see. Maybe we should try this one, just see how it comes out on here. And so this one won't be running Clipper though, and it's not really in a good spot to use right now. The other thing too I could do is also remove Clipper off the other one, reinstall the rest of the stuff, just see how it prints like just normal. I seem to remember it like kind of printed better without Clipper, because I think it's trying to do something. So I think we'll do one on here, and then we'll do one on there, and just for the hell of it.